At Madison Window Cleaning, we have been at the cutting edge of window cleaning technology since we started our business in 1930. And one of the best, most versatile pieces of equipment we have owned to date is our SimPole. The tallest pole we have, the SimPole, is key to us completing our largest and most challenging projects safely and on time. Topping out at 71 feet and keeping its stiffness and rigidity at height, this pole will never let you down when it comes to accessing those hard-to-reach windows. The unique design has an inner layer of hidden modulus carbon fiber, which makes it remarkably lightweight, strong, and stiff. The outer layer provides wear resistance and strength. SimPole Inc. is an industry-leading producer of high-quality water-fed pole systems for the window cleaning industry. Their made-in-the-USA poles are lightweight, durable, and come with the expert service and advice you need. A product made by window cleaners for window cleaners. SimPole has decades of experience in the cleaning industry, so why would you trust another pole to help you tackle your big projects and grow your business right?